left to execute a flash bomb.
Proximity pass, the Apache will now bring in a 360 wing over. Showcase its low-level prowess, popping up high and pausing in the sky before deeply steeping back down.
The AIR-16 is renowned for its acceleration and superior rate of climb. Showcasing this, the F-16 will now execute a maneuver capabilities.
Let's now give a big wave to show your appreciation to our flyboys.
While the
Next, the F-16 and the Apache are going to come together, proving that when capabilities integrate, speed and precision can fly as one. Ladies and gentlemen,